There's more progress on rebuilding the streets in downtown Rock Island. Check out this time-lapse video of crews working on 18th Street.
And we're just about to unveil the new Arts Alley here in downtown Rock Island.
We're just hoping that this brings some life back into this area where there was just blank walls before, and now we've got all of this color on the walls and on the floor, and we hope it inspires people to realize what they can do with their community.
It's just super important to shop local. When those dollars stay in your community, you're providing jobs, and local is everything, and especially to small businesses this time of year.
This is a really good thing for Rock Island, and you can feel the excitement.
Now we've got vibrant murals, we've got pop-up stores, we've got a painted alley, and things are going to happen.
You might have heard us talking earlier this week about some of these pop-up shops here. This is a shipping container, basically, transformed, heated, climate controlled, and it feels pretty good inside. This is Buttercup Candles.
Oh, this is great. We lived our entire lives in Rock Island, and to be a part of this was a no-brainer when the opportunity came up. This is so great. It's going to be great for small businesses, too.